everyone, my name is Harsh. I'm a student assistant here at the Student Success Center at Lakehead University, Thunder Bay. Today I will be explaining on how to book appointments with the Academic Support Zone and navigate the Tutor Directory. So firstly, we log on to mysuccess.lakeheadu.ca, and on the left pane, you see the Academic Support Zone. You can click on it and then you reach the welcome message, and here it talks about how the academic support zone can help. So you can join a group tutoring session, consult a writing coach, contact them at academiczone.ssc@lakeheadu.ca. Then there's a private tutor as well. So schedule a drop-in for group tutoring. You do not require registration. All you need to do is navigate the calendar and select the one which you want to join. So if you want to join math with Jessica, so all you have to do is go on that day and click on the link, and you'll be able to join that tutoring session of math. And if you're looking for appointments with the Academic Support Zone, you have to click on this here, Academic Support Zone appointments, then go on book by appointment type. There are two types of support: the academic writing support general and the academic writing support for graduate students. So all you have to do is go and click on book, select the next available appointment and which is convenient for you, a particular time, please provide your phone number and reason for appointment, and then click on book appointment. So that is how you book an appointment with the Academic Support Zone. And to navigate the Tutor Directory for personal tutors, all you have to do is go and click on Tutor Directory, search for a tutor. If you know a course or a particular code, you can enter it here. Otherwise, you can just click on next, and you'll be able to see the information of the tutors, the name, the email ID, the courses they teach, and the hourly rate. So you can click on any one of them, and you can contact them via the email. So thank you very much for watching this video on how to navigate the Academic Support Zone and the Tutor Directory.